Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best teeth whitening kits that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have gel carbamide peroxide. The first teeth whitening kits that we would like to introduce to you is the teeth whitening kits that equipped with an LED light with a dimension of 4 by 3 by 2 inches. Moreover, it weighs about 4.8 ounces. This product has a good rating which achieves 4.5 stars out of 5 stars in the selling best products. The most uniqueness of this product is a kind gel that you can practice by yourselves at home without any help from a professional dentist. As a DIY kit, the quality of using the product is especially good as going to the dentist. Additionally, the dentists also encourage people to use this teeth whitening kits with confidence because it has a kind of gel that can prevent you from sensitivity after using it, desensitizing gel. Besides those good points described above, using it can help you to save a lot of money with a professional outcome because of the carbamide peroxide in the kit's gel that has about 35% of the total ingredient. Finally, this product is convenient to use by following 3 steps that mention in the instruction. Moving on at number 4, we have 3D White Crest Teeth Whitening Kits. What is the 3D White Crest? Why it is suggested? This product rating is high if we compare it to other products. Because of its individual strip with the white strips vivid with a dimension of 1.64 by 3.16 by 4.91 inches, this product is very attractive and gets interested by many people. However, it weighs only 1.55 ounces, which is very light, and you can use it anywhere that you prefer. Specifically, enamel security is also included in the product, which is the same as the ingredient that dentists use. Uniquely, the 5 years stain of coffee, wine, smoke, and another type of stain on your teeth will be removed by the 3D White Crest with confident and white teeth in only 10 days period. Apart from this, you just spend a half hour a day to treat your teeth and the result will satisfy you. Undoubtedly, the dentists also recommend their clients to use this product as daily care for good teeth practice. At number 3, we have iSmile Whitening Kit. It should be noted that different people may satisfy and use a different product. So we are here to introduce you to another product which calls iSmile. Additionally, this product has carbamide peroxide minus 35% and syringes gel 3 ml with a dimension of 8 by 5.5 by 1.25 inches. Besides, it weighs about 4.8 ounces, which is a bit heavy if we compare to other products. Because of the LED light with the tool, it can boost the speed of the product to clean all the stain that has on our teeth perfectly. Specifically, you just spend 10 minutes to treat your teeth and you will see a good outcome. Not only coffee or smoking stain will be cleaned but also wine and soda too. With a good formula and ingredients, you will get 8 times whiter on your teeth after using the product for 7 days by following the instruction properly. Clearly, the innovative team is from USA that is very expert on teeth cleaning and treating. You can choose iSmile now with confidence. At number 2, we have Brighton Teeth Whitening Kit. Another good quality product that you cannot miss out is the Brighton kit. The manufacturer of this product is Smile Direct Club, equipped with LED light and a premium pen supply that has hydrogen peroxide. Furthermore, the use of micro USB, USB, and USB-C with a lightning adapter are one of the great function of this product. Undoubtedly, this product is recognized by the professional dentist and you can use it confidently without any worrisome. Also, its weight is 13.02 ounces with a dimension of 7.4 by 5.16 x 2.99 inches, which is good and fit for any users. Subsequently, this whitening kit quality is very good, which keeps your teeth white after using in any condition. In particular, you can use your smartphone to use the LED light anytime, which we can call it a hand-free product. Moreover, it does not contain vegan or gluten, that is a good sign for every user. Importantly, the brush applicator does not have any messes with a great absorbing formula. We believe you will experience a great outcome with this product. And finally at number 1. Aura Glow Kit. Interestingly, a good product with good quality that you need to consider is Aura Glow Kit. This product receives a high rating, which is 4.5 points out of 5 points. Importantly, it has an accelerator light that can boost up the whitening and contains 5 bulbs of LED light. Furthermore, it also builds with a beeper, which is like an alarm clock that can alert you when the time of whitening your teeth is up to the limit. Additionally, 20+ treatment and carbamide peroxide in the syringes is 35% that is made from USA with an expert. Besides, the mouth tray does not need to boil or mold, which means it is suitable for any mouth and you can whiten your teeth up and down simultaneously. All the stains will remove by Aura Glow Kit if you can use this whitening tool for about 30 minutes per day. Finally, a case will be provided to keep the mouth tray and instructions to ensure all the users can use properly for their teeth health.